What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or enable VoiceOver on your Apple Watch SE 3. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off or disable or also enable VoiceOver. VoiceOver is this feature that whenever you touch anything on the screen, it reads it out loud to you. And it can get pretty annoying if you turn this on by mistake. But you can also use this to enable it if you need to. Okay, so how we do this is we're going to have to find the settings. So go ahead and click on the digital crown. Here with the digital crown, you can also scroll up and down until you find settings. Okay, mine is right here. Go ahead and select it and then double tap it. Okay, once you're in settings, we're going to scroll down to accessibility right there. Select it and then double tap it. Okay, and then here we're going to see VoiceOver. It's the first option. So just go ahead and select it, double tap it. And as you can see, it's on. So we're going to disable it. So double tap it. And there you go. VoiceOver will be off. And now your Apple Watch will go back to working normally again. All right, everyone. So there you go. That is how you disable or enable VoiceOver on your Apple Watch SE 3. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. And also, if you want to check out our 45-watt super fast chargers, which charge your phone 3 times as fast as regular chargers, check out the links down below in the description. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.